Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with comparison with a problem related to TEKS 5.9c, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a bar graph here. We've got 5 different genres in our book fair. And we have a comparison because look at the question right here. How many more? So when we see how many more, how much greater, or how much less, anything like that, that should let you know that we are going to compare two quantities. We want to see which one has more. So fiction books, that's going to be our quantity 1. So I'm just going to label this as quantity. And what's the other thing we're comparing it with? Combined, so we're going to need to combine nonfiction and science. Right, so here's the other quantity. And the reason I'm labeling these as quantities is because these are not part whole. We're not combining them. We're not separating them. We're just lining them up next to each other and seeing which one has more. And so let's get some numbers on here because we can transfer that to a strip diagram to represent it. Then we can generate our equation and solve. And so fiction is the first one we need. And you see that we've got our lines that are kind of light, but I'll just kind of draw it right there. That's my 300 right there, and that's my 400 right there. And it looks like that fiction bar goes right in between. So we need to be thinking, what's in between 300 and 400? Well, it's going to be a 50. So we'll call it 350. And so fiction is going to be 350. And so how many more fiction books? Well, they already tell us that that's the largest bar. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, right here, I'll put fiction, and this is going to be my strip diagram. When we do this, we draw these as two separate bars. There's your 350. All right, and then I've got my nonfiction and science coming up. So N plus S. And it's going to be less because they want you to know the difference between the two. And what we're looking for is that gap right there. That's what we're trying to figure out. How much longer is the fiction bar than the nonfiction and the science bar? All right, so my nonfiction, here's my 100 line. It looks like it's going to be a little bit above, so maybe 110, a bit more than 110, maybe 115. That's all right. We'll get close and we'll see which answer is closest. On problems like this, sometimes you just have to make your best estimate based on the spacing in here. So my nonfiction looks like it's going to be about 115. Then my science looks like it's going to be below 100 and just a hair below. We'll call that 90. All right, so I'm going to kind of split this right here, and I'll do this. And I'll say here's my 115, and that's going to be my nonfiction. And then my science is 90. And there we go. There's my strip diagram. Now, in order for me to solve, I have to do it in addition first, right? First step is the subtotal, because what I need is I need 350 minus 115 plus 90. And we have to do this first. So let's figure out what 115 plus 90 is. And we're going to have 205. Okay, so that's 205. So we can then think of this expression as 350 minus 205. And that's going to get us what we need. So let's subtract there. 205. We're going to regroup. That's going to give me 5, 4. All right, so I don't see 145, but this is one of those to where they don't give you exact numbers. You're looking for the number that's closest. And obviously the closest is going to be that 140. So maybe that nonfiction instead of 115, right? Maybe we should have said it's a 120. Either way, our answer is B.